Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of the Lego City Fire Hazard Truck set 60279 from 2021 to 2022. As you can see, this is the full build, and the front piece can move, and also you can take the roof off to get the minifigure out. And the back can open and close, and you can unclip this megaphone piece. And also you have the fire extinguisher as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.